So this is our 4G global tracker. It's a 30-day standby on the battery with a magnetic mount. This is going to be your weatherproof covering that you need to install after you pair your device, your data cable for charging. What you're going to want to do is long press the power button for 3 seconds. This will power on the device. You'll see 3 lights get to blinking on the bottom there. It lets you know that the device is ready to pair with the app. You'll see the IMEI number there. It's a 15-digit number. You just input that number there into the tracking app, and that's pretty much it. You want to go to the Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and download the Tracker One app. That's one word, TRACKERONE. Open that up and just go to the bottom there and click on that Google icon. That'll take you to your Gmail so you can log in. Once you log in, you just pair it with that 15-digit number, that IMEI number there, and that's it. Once you pair it up, it's going to want you to subscribe to a plan. So go ahead and accept that offer. It's going to give you a discount on whatever you choose. They've got up to 1 month, 2 months, all the way up to, I believe, 2 years. The longer that you go, the cheaper that it'll be for you. Then you got geo-fencing options, satellite options, as well as this cool playback feature.
Fox Gadgets. Stay in the know with next level surveillance.